While many Americans have lost purchasing power in the housing market, others are finding they actually have more options than ever before due to historic rising equity rates. Simply put, home equity is your home's value minus your mortgage balance. Whatever's left is equity. And new today, we've learned homeowners are now seeing double-digit equity gains, up 20% in just the first quarter of this year. And with that tappable equity, Americans can grow their personal wealth by selling their home or borrowing against it. NewsNation's Paul Gerke joining us live in New York. And Paul, this added equity is giving current homeowners a lot to work with.
Nichole, it's great news if you own a home. You're literally living what I think is the American dream, making money by standing pat and doing nothing. Think about it. If the home you bought is suddenly worth twice what you paid for it, there's a sizable difference between what you can sell it for and what you can owe. So that's great if you do own that home. Not so great if you're a prospective buyer. But if you're in that latter crowd, listen up. I spoke to a couple realtors today who were happy to pass along a positive message, a hint at normalcy.
The housing market roller coaster may finally be out of loops. Real estate agents across the country are seeing things level out. Inventory is up and homes are staying on the market longer. There have even been some price reductions, a blasphemous consideration in recent months. Lauren Hurwitz is seeing some in New York.
Anything that's not completely turnkey might take a little longer to sell. And that's okay because that's what we had pre-COVID. So while homes aren't all selling in 72 hours, it might take 2 weeks, maybe even a month, if you can believe that.
The market is becoming more balanced by the day, yet still favors sellers who want to actualize their gains and not miss out. But then those people would have to wade into the buyer's market.
I've definitely encountered sellers that are really hot to sell, but they just don't know where to go, right? Because it's going to cost them so much more to buy now. So at this point, I think most people have a plan in place. They know if they're going to sell, they know they're going to be transferring to another location. They're either, buying something bigger or downsizing. There's not too many people that are still on the fence at this point.
Those with thousands in newfound home equity who don't want to sell still have a decision to make. Cash it out for something like a home improvement project or sit on it. Considering the price of construction materials and our uncertain economic future, Lauren expects to see more of the latter.
I think you see a lot of people holding on to their equity, keeping it in place, not necessarily upgrading and not necessarily buying a second property, even though they very well may have the funds or even just the down payment to do such a thing.
Lauren says as a realtor, she obviously welcomes this normalcy because daily she's dealing with frustrated buyers who feel like they just can't win. So now that homes are sitting on the market for a little bit longer, her job gets a little simpler. And sellers are going to be fine too. She says home prices are not going to plummet overnight. They're still well above what they were a few years ago. There's time to get your money out. This is just a much needed, expected return to reality.
All right, Paul Gerke pulling double duty for us. Thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.